How to sell your winning coupon early on 1xBet. First of all, open your 1xBet app and go straight to your bet slip. You will find this by tapping the bet slip icon, usually at the bottom of the screen. Next, check if your current bet is eligible for early sale. If it is, you will see a sell or cash out button right on the slip. This only appears when your bet is still active and the market conditions allow it. Now, tap on the sell button. The app will show you the current value they are offering to buy back your bet. This value changes depending on how the game is going and how likely the bet is to win. After reviewing the offer, if you are okay with the amount, confirm the sale. Just tap the confirm or sell option and the money will be added to your balance immediately. If the sale option isn't showing, it means that 1xBet isn't currently offering to buy back that bet. This can happen if the match is at the critical point or if the odds are too unstable. Always keep an eye on your bet slip during the game. The value may go up or down, and timing your sale can help you get a better return before the match ends. And that's it. Now you know how to sell your winning coupon early on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.